If you're watching this video, put a thumbs up.
Put a thumbs up.
And subscribe to this video.
This channel, man.
We are making cookies right now. We got this kind of sprinkles, the blue kind of sprinkles, red kind of sprinkles, if you want to see, red kind of sprinkles, green like Christmas tree sprinkles, and white like snow. If you're watching,
you gotta put it right in front of here. See, right in front of there.
If you're watching this video, put a thumbs up.
Put a thumbs up.
And subscribe to this video.
This channel, man. Alright guys, in order for us to make Grinch cookies, you're going to need these peppermint Hershey Kisses. I will link them down. They can
you see it in real.
So these are the kisses that I got. They are peppermint flavored kisses. And then I got this assortment from Target with all of the different sprinkles in here that you can use. I normally just like using red and green, but today Noah wants to use the blue and white as well, which will be super fun. So let's just get started. Y'all know how to make cookies, so we just gonna do that and get it popping. I like to put in the egg and the butter first.
I think about you lately. All I seem to do, this boy has got me crazy. Yeah, you got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. Yeah, I climb the highest mountain, I sail the open seas. Oh, 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 would you do it for me? I'd take a bullet for you. You sit and watch me bleed. Oh, 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 you wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me. No waiting, boy, I need ya. You're stuck in my mind. No stop until I please ya. Yeah, you got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. I climb the highest mountain, I'd sail the open seas. Oh, 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 would you do it for me? Would you do it for me? I'd take a bullet for you. You'd sit and watch me bleed. Oh, 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 you wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me. You got me blinded by ya, but you don't care. I'd walk through fire for ya to have you there.
We got some bowls, and we need to pour our stuff in the bowl.
Okay.
Can you do that for me, Assistant Noah?
First we start with the important one.
That white one? That one you can't even see.
I don't
Why can't we
care.
just use, listen, why can't we just use these three?
No.
Alright.
Snow. Snow's important for the plant, so I want to do this.
Snow's important for what?
Plant.
What plants? It
Plants
kills
outside.
everything. It kills the plants.
What the-
Yes, it do, because they too cold to thrive.
I have to take off the cap because Yes, I do.
Yo, be careful, okay? Don't make a mess.
It's okay if I make a little.
No, it's not.
Teensy mess.
You want to clean it up?
Look how hard this is! That has the tiniest little thing in the world! I can't even... Come on. What am I?
What?
Actually, why packages? Oh.
I'm gonna punch your dad right in his throat.
I'm gonna punch me in my throat.
I'm gonna punch your dad in his throat.
Me too.
Because he left my stuff at his sister's house. And he told me a couple days ago he was gonna go get my stuff.
Mean daddy.
Your dad is crazy.
Crazy daddy, actually. I have to use my nail.
You ain't got no nails because he bite them.
Shut.
What?
I said shut.
Shut what?
Shut.
Shut what?
You like the stop kind of shut.
Mm-hmm. You say stop. You don't tell mommy to shut nothing.
I got nails.
Yeah.
They're just not
He lying
that
on
long.
You don't
They're
have
not that
no nails.
long.
If your nails are not long enough, then you don't have none.
But look. I got nails. I'm gonna stick my finger in there. Guys, I can stick my finger in the thing. Look at that. That's weird.
Because they don't taste like nothing.
Tastes good. Just tastes like snow. kind of.
Nothing. Nah, not in that one. Put it in the white one.
This one.
The white one. The clear, that one. The little one.
See the little white one.
Clear. It ain't even ours.
I can see it.
Yeah, but the cookies, you ain't going to be able to see it on the cookies.
Yes, I can.
So, Mr. Jose Phoebus,
Put it in the door.
you didn't get my
What?
from Nikki house.
Oh, shit. You can't do it then?
Dog, I didn't say Phil. I just said put some in there. We got to put some back.
Okay, I'll just...
No, don't do that.
What we
Don't do
gonna
that.
do?
That's nasty.
It actually kind of tastes good.
What can you do?
I'm going to improvise.
Go tomorrow.
Like,
Daddy!
I don't get scared because
Daddy.
you're an improvising ass nigga.
Daddy, Jose Luis Phoebus. After I do my homework, you go to DT Ricky's house.
You ain't going with him, so why he got to wait until you done your homework?
'Cause
I'm just gonna buy a new one though, because that one's ran its course anyway.
It has not. That thing ain't even burnt up. That thing was good. What you talking about?
We might need some spoons.
Stressing a little obsessive, I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. I climb the highest mountain, I tell you I see it. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Would you do it for me? Would you do it for me? I'd take a bullet for you. You sit and watch me bleed. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. You wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me.
Somebody forgot my baking sheet at their sister's house. I'm not going to say no names, but somebody, Noah's dad,
Jose.
Phoebus, forgot my stuff. So now I have to use this. This is what I got. This is all I have to my name.
When I'm flying, the descent is still my favorite part. Easy to start. You don't wanna feel that part of me that's cold and numb with apathy. Cause when I feel that way, I can't help nobody. Nobody. I can't trust nobody. Nobody. I can't trust nobody. No, no, nobody. I can't trust nobody. No, 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 not even myself. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk kept the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needed you to be mindful of me. Needed you to be mindful. Where the fuck is your mind?
All right, guys, we finished, and this is what our cookies are looking like.
It's actually 20 minutes. It says 20 minutes on the packaging.
It doesn't. So we are going to pop these in the oven for 8 minutes, and we will be back to show you guys the final steps. All right, the cookies are in there. 8 minutes. All right, guys, this is our cookies right now. So all we gotta do is add our Hershey Kisses, okay? Come on, Noah, let's open these up. Maybe Daddy can record for us. Come on, why can we get a video of us putting in the kisses? That's it. We don't need a full body view. Come on up here. Come a little closer. Come on, the kisses.
Stop!
Look, and this is how we make our Grinch cookies.
Okay.
You stick them inside of there.
Okay, let me do one.
Your dad gets on my nerves so bad.
Okay. Let me do one.
Go ahead. Only do it with the ones that have the sprinkles on it. Go ahead. Press it down in there. All right, that's too hard. Well, you got to leave it there now. That's gracious. This is so frustrating.
It's good.
Come on, you got one more to put on. You got to put one in the white ones, right? These two are the white ones.
Oh, yeah.
And then you put one in the white. Come on, man. All right, now we just got to wait for them to... All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for them to dry, and then we're going to taste them, okay? That's it, baby. We not, that's it. Which one do I want? I'll take this cookie.
Which is, of course,
I picked the one I made.
Yummy. Let's get a good picture of this.